Hello children, hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. In our earlier video, we have learned about sh, ch, fr and tr sounds and the words. Sh and ch are called consonant digraphs, whereas fr and tr are called consonant blends. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn about some more consonant blends. So first, let's see what are consonant blends. When two or more consonants are blended together or smoothly joined together, but each sound may be heard in the blend, are called consonant blends. The most common beginning consonant blends include bl, br, cl, dr, fr, tr, fl, gl, gr, pl, pr, sl, sm, sp and st. But today we are going to learn about cl and pl blends. So let's begin with cl sound. Cl is C and L, where both letters are consonants with no vowel in it and each sounds differently. The sound of C is K and the sound of L is L. But when they are put together, they make a new sound, Kl. Let's see in a different way. C plus L is equal to Kl. Yes, when C and L are put together, they sound as Kl. For example, clap, clean, class, close, wherein we can clearly hear the sound of C and L as K and L. Now, here are some words beginning with cl sound. Cl, clock. What time does the clock show? Cl, cloud. Look at the cloud over there. Cl, clown. The clown is seen in the circus. Cl, climb. The boy climbed the tree. Cl, clips. These are colorful clips. Cl, clay. Children like to play with the clay, isn't it? Now, let's move further to another sound, that is pl. Pl is P and L. Even here, we can see both the letters are consonants with no vowel in it and each sounds differently. The sound of P is P and the sound of L is L. But when they are put together, they make a new sound pl. That is P plus L is equal to pl. Yes, when P and L are put together, they sound as pl. For example, please, plane, place, plumber, plastic, wherein we can clearly hear the sound of P and L as P and L. Let's see some words beginning with pl sound. Pl, plant. It is a tulsi plant. Pl, plate. Food is served in a plate. Pl, plug. Children should not play with the plug. Pl, play. These children are playing football. Pl, plus. What is 1 plus 1? Pl, plane. The plane flies high in the sky. So children, these were cl and pl sound words. Try to find out some more words beginning with cl and pl sound. So, keep finding. Till then, goodbye and thank you.